On Friday, October 12th, royal fans watched as Prince Harry and William's cousin, Eugenie of York, tied the knot to her long-term love, Jack Brooksbank. Eugenie and Jack were married at St. George's Chapel in Windsor, the same location the Duke and Duchess of Sussex were wed. And there were a host of famous faces invited to the ceremony. If this weren't enough, the couple also selected an adorable gaggle of bridesmaids and page boys to help them on their big day, including Prince George and Princess Charlotte. The cute youngsters were joined by Savannah and Isla Phillips, Maya Tyndall, Maud Windsor, Theodora Williams, Louis de Givenchy, Lady Louise and Viscount Severn. And despite being seasoned professionals when it comes to weddings, George and Charlotte have also had roles in Harry and Meghan's Big Day and Pippa Middleton's. Kate Middleton was still overjoyed to see her kids walking down the aisle. As the guests stood to sing a hymn, the bride, groom, best man, bride's father and the rest of the wedding party were led through the choir gates and into the choir of the chapel. Kate, Prince William, Harry and Meghan were all awaiting their first look at Eugenie 28, but it was clearly the arrival of the little ones that made the biggest impression on them. A royal fan account, Royal Source FR on Twitter, shared a look at their reaction to seeing George and Charlotte, and it was so sweet. Kate's face stretches into an ear-splitting grin, and she appears to laugh while beside her Harry turns to her and smiles. In front of Zara and Mike Tyndall also looked like they enjoyed the sweet moment. Meanwhile, Eugenie's sister, Princess Beatrice, gave the kids two big, enthusiastic thumbs up from the front row as they walked by. Princess Charlotte also stole the show in an intimate wedding photo later posted on Instagram by the bride. In the picture, the 3-year-old is sat in the middle of the bridesmaids, pulling a face at the new Mrs. Brooksbank as she and her husband laugh. Similarly, Prince George also had his own hilarious moment at the wedding. The 5-year-old was photographed joking with Savannah and picking his nose as he waited outside the chapel at the start of the ceremony.